When it comes to the next episode, it is important to start with the fact that there is a break ahead of us. According to the schedule, the show will return from the break on January 3rd, and then on January 17th we will see a 2-hour final. Episode 11 is called Falling, and this episode is of particular importance as it perfectly prepares the ground for what the final 2-hour episode will look like. It goes without saying that this is going to be an emotional episode for all of these characters. Think about where they are in the season right now, and also what they've been going through. Also, let's hope for satisfying conclusions for Max, Bloom, Iggy, and everyone else we've seen on the show over the years. Don't they all deserve that on some level? Unfortunately, at the moment there isn't that much more insight out there from the network about the remaining episodes, and you could see a little bit more about that over the next couple of weeks. The major thing to keep in mind here is that while this is a medical drama, it's also a character drama. I tend to think that the producers are really going to focus hard on the people the rest of the way, and I'm sure it will be a powerful end to the show. What do you want to see in the next episode?